Hello, I'm going to be discussing easy tips on how to study effectively and efficiently. There are many ways to make learning easier and more fun, but I'm going to be discussing some with you today. Number one is to write down the most important points in your study material. So for every material you study for examination, there are some important points. So these important points are the ones that are buttressed by examples, instances, justification, explanation. So in the course of reading the material, it is important you note the important points and study the instances that they use in buttressing them and try to familiarize that instance to your own daily life experience. That's how you learn new things. You need to connect old knowledge with the new knowledge so that there must be alignment between the two. Number two is make your study comfortable. So don't try to inconvenience yourself because you want to satisfy somebody or you want to live up to somebody's expectation. So every person learns well after resting. So when you sleep and wake up and try to study, you get to understand whatever you're studying well and try to know the kind of learner you are. Are you a visual learner? Are you an auditory learner? Are you a kinesthetic learner? Are you audiovisual learner? Just try to understand your learning attitude and characteristic or attributes. So that's it. If you don't know, you can see a counselor. You can come to DEE Tutors and see me. I'm going to help you out with that. So if you feel dizzy, another point is that if you feel dizzy in the course of your study, take a break and continue later. So when you feel dizzy, it means your brain is tired. It needs some rest. In the course of your resting, your brain tries to reorganize what you've learned. So to put them in the right dimension or to put them in the right space of your mind, so that of your brain, when you wake up, you'll be able to like, oh, I can remember this, I can remember that. And another point is believe in your own ability. Many people don't believe in their ability. Some candidates, they have low self-esteem. So the kind of esteem you have really determine how you get the best out of your study materials. So if you have low self-esteem, if you believe that you can't just understand this material because you're not wired to learn, everyone is wired to learn. Don't forget to pray, because if you don't pray, you become a prey in the hand of the dictator. So you pray like as if you've never read, and you read like as if you've never prayed, and I guarantee you success in your forthcoming examination. For my students that are preparing for JAMB UTME, I reach success in your examination.
DEE Tutors, bringing learning to your doorstep.